Hi, my name is Aran Lüthi. I'm a professional mountain biker from Switzerland. I have lived almost 10 years in Stellenbosch, where I've been preparing for the Cape Epic. And many times I've been training with Sipo Madolo, program manager of Songo.info. And therefore the Songo.info charity is really something close to my heart. Yeah, when I realized how this pandemic may affect the people in Kayamandi, I was extremely worried about them. I was very much thinking how I could possibly help them in this difficult time. At the same time, Songo.info started to distribute food packages for the people in need since they were out of work, couldn't earn any money anymore during lockdown. They were really desperate for food. So I was thinking I want to support this initiative with funds, with a fundraiser. Together with my sponsors, Andermatt Swiss Alps and Canyon Bicycles, we thought how we could get the cycling community involved with this, and we came up with a challenge. The challenge was 647 kilometers in 1 month, a Strava challenge, and to enter the Strava challenge, the people needed to donate at least 200 Rand towards Songo.info. These 200 Rands would basically buy one food package that feeds a family of 8 for 1 week. And the 647 kilometers is the distance of this year's Cape Epic that unfortunately never happened. To motivate as many people as possible to take part in the challenge, Andermatt Swiss Alps and Canyon Bicycles threw in some amazing prizes. Andermatt Swiss Alps offered 1 week holiday in their amazing 4-star hotel in Andermatt. The lucky winner of this one is Johan de Wet from South Africa, so he's going to join me next year riding some amazing trails around Andermatt in the heart of Switzerland. And Canyon Bicycles actually asked Mathieu van der Poel for a signed jersey of his to donate to the fundraiser, and the lucky winner of that one is Laurens van Geel from Belgium. So he will wear this precious piece of lycra from the most famous and one of the greatest cyclists in the world, Mathieu van der Poel, who's riding on Canyon Bicycles. Yeah, we got 136 participants taking part in the challenge. Most of them donated actually more than the 200 Rand entry fee. So together we managed to raise 105,000 Rands, which is a very nice number. And I really want to thank each one of them for the great solidarity, for supporting Songo.info, and especially helping the people that really need it in this time. It was also fantastic to see how many kilometers were ridden. In total, it was more than 120,000 kilometers. Not everyone sent us their total, so it was definitely a lot more. One of them even rode 666 in just 1 day. And yeah, it was just incredible to see also the people from South Africa that were under strict lockdown, not able to go outside, how much they cycled on the indoor trainer. So it was nice to see that they got a little bit of motivation to get moving again. Yeah, on this way, I want to really thank again everyone that was involved in this fundraiser, especially also the administration at Songo.info, Amber Reeder. She put in a lot of effort to help me with this, but also then to those who were distributing the food packages. Sipo Madolo and his friend Lucky did a lot of the work there. Thanks a lot. And yeah, also to my sponsors, Andermatt Swiss Alps and Canyon Bicycles, for their support with this. And last but not least, also another sponsor of mine, my supplement sponsor, Hammer Nutrition. During the time we ran the challenge, they actually donated 10% of their online sales towards Songo.info as well. So there was another donation coming from that side. Thanks a lot to everyone, and yeah, I really hope people keep supporting Songo.info. They're doing a really fantastic job in supporting the people in Kayamandi, people who aren't as privileged as I am and many other people are. The times are still very difficult. I think South Africa is facing still very tough times, so please keep supporting them.